We're out here playing disc golf in Pflugerville, and I'm about to ace this next hole. You think I can do it?
Yeah.
Watch this. What's going on, YouTube? Another day in Austin, Texas. With the windows, I hope I didn't lock the keys in it. Anyway, we got a few jobs. We're gonna run through them. We're gonna videotape, and we'll do what we do, and we'll put it out there, and you're gonna watch it, and you're gonna like it, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. So let's get on it.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Really hard by the ocean, among all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
Hey, if you have to sneeze when you're putting soap in your bucket, make sure you stop squeezing the soap as you put it in, or as you sneeze, and just overdid the soap. But I'm not changing the water, so let's keep running. for God's sakes, man, before we get to the next job, we got to change the water because there's just way too much soap in there. I forgot I put soap in it last night and pre-made the bucket last night. Then I put some more in it this morning, and then I sneezed as I was squeezing the bottle into the bucket, so it's just over the top. Don't put that much soap in your bucket. You're gonna hate it. Make your day hell. Anyway, we're gonna fix that.